Glenn Warner, GorillaMaker.com. We're here with Shelly Warner. See, she has a shirt on, so she works for the company too. She's going to be our technician of choice on our GM3D500. We're going to show you how to change out this part right here. It's a nozzle. That's a 0.8. Right now there's a 0.4 in the machine, and we want to go bigger because we want to print twice as fast. So the first thing Shelly's going to do, she's going to come down and hit the menu button. She's going to go down to prepare. She's going to go over to preheat ABS, and she's going to hit the first one, heat EXT. Now, we tricked you guys. We already preheated this once, so we're already up very close to our set point. Our set point's 220. We're a little bit high, but it won't matter for this. The second thing she's going to do is, you notice there's not a lot of room where the printer's sitting right now from the nozzle to the tool. So we're going to use our purple nut driver that's found in our toolbox that we give you. She's going to hit the menu key once, scroll all the way down, and you're going to see where it says move Z-axis fast. Now she's going to crank that down to about 200 millimeters. Note to self, if you was to press the menu button right now, it would stop the table movement. That's a safety of ours, so then the math is a little bit off. You just need to know that. So there's the table moving down. That's a nice shiny bed. Look at some of the outlines here, how big are the parts they've been printing on this printer. That's awesome. So now that we know that we're at our set point, we'll put our tool in there and we're going to turn this counterclockwise. And it should just spin right out. Counterclockwise. So after you have it counterclockwise out, that part right there is going to be extremely hot. So what we do a lot of times is the bottom of our case is made out of metal. If we can't shake it out, it fell right out, not a problem. We're going to take our new one, and obviously, I'm going to say this anyhow, the threads go up. The point goes down into the tool. So now you're going to turn this clockwise as you put it back up in there. And if you feel it start to cross thread or it doesn't feel good, just back it back out and do it again. It might take you one try or maybe two tries to get it in there correctly. Now the reason why we do this hot instead of cold, if it was cold, you wouldn't be able to turn the nozzle out because it would be welded in with the plastic. So that's why we need to bring it up to our set point, our preheat. And if you look, that's in there. After you have it in there and it's set for about 30 seconds, put the wrench on a second time. And you don't want to go gorilla tight, you want to go monkey tight. Just turn it a little bit, it might turn 1/8 of an inch. And now you're set. That's all it takes to change out your hot end. We did a great job today. The next video will be how to calibrate your machine after you've changed the hot end. This is extremely important. Please watch the next video.